Hello investors. In today's video, I'm going to go over the MACD trend follow momentum indicator. I developed this for my personal use and I figure I'd share with you. So what is a MACD indicator? It's basically a moving average convergence divergence. It's a technical indicator to help investors like myself identify market entry points for buying and selling. The MAC line is calculated by subtracting the 26-period moving average from the 12-period EMA. The signal line is a 9-period EMA of the MACD line. Here you can see the date, the close, the 9-day EMA, 12-day EMA, 26-day EMA, and the MACD line and the MACD signal line, a histogram. So just looking at the MACD indicator, just from this information here, how do you know where you want to come in and buy? By looking at this, you can see the momentum of the stock, green picking up, and then the red, the selling point. So that's how you can tell the momentum where the stock is being sold. And again, the momentum is taken from the 9-day price, the 26-day average price, right? Where do I get my data? I go to the NASDAQ.com, and there I go to historic data. Now type in my ticker. Once you type in your ticker, you have the ability to get your data range. You can go from 1 month to 5 years. I usually get the 5-year. The more information for me, the more I can see the momentum of the ticker. Once you click on the 5-year data range, you have the ability to download that data. As you can see right here, you click on that and it will automatically download that for you. You just take that data and you just copy and paste it over to your spreadsheet. Next you want to do is take the date and the close date. You just drag it all the way down and copy, right click and copy it. This is what I'm doing right now. And just right click it. Now with the information you just copy, you take over to the MACD spreadsheet. You want to click on a date, just right click it and paste it. You know, all the information you just paste in it will auto generates over to the chart. As you can see here, the data, the histogram, the MACD signal line and MACD line, it's all there. Here I have Apple ticker pulled up for a 6-month range. You can see here that in September, the momentum start picking up, then it dropped again, and it looks like it picked up again here in November 23rd. Let's go over here, and now we're in January right here, and it start picking up, then it dropped again, and it held its place, had good momentum, and now it's slowly dropped. It slowly did, and now it's slowly dropping again. So let's go over here, pull the 1 year here. Here's a 1 year. Let's go scroll to the right. You can see when all the AI hypes start happening, the stock rose, momentum rose quite a bit. You know, just looking at this, you see the huge momentum in October, and then it finally picked up halfway up the histogram in the negative zone area, and it dropped again. So there's a delay in halfway point. Now let's change to the 2 years. You see 2 years, see 1 year, and we'll go 5 years. Yeah, you see 5 years. You can see the range, the momentum, the stock up and down on the 5-year course range. If you're an investor, a MACD trend indicator is a great tool to have. Recommend it, using it to determine to help assist in your investment decisions. Until next time, take care. Bye now.